Alright, YouTube, it's your boy Trust, and we're back with another video. And today, we came to Dreadnought. This is where we usually come, like every Sunday. This is where I first started coming. This is where I fucking fell in love with this shit. We're gonna run another couple games. Hopefully, we get some good runs instead of letting my boy Lokes right here get some good runs, because last time he was whack with it. But we going in right now. About to get shit popping. TTL in the booth. You heard? I'm playing with my i5, boy. Come on now. Oh, shit getting real.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
God damn! That's what I was saying. That's what the kid told me when he sold it to me.
That's what he sold it?
Yeah, no, he was like, if there's something wrong with it, he's like, let me know. He's like, there's a little gap. We're talking about this little gap right here. People say it's not supposed to be there, but you know me, I stay running it like that every time. Hey, what happened, bro? What happened?
There's no name on the
Damn, bro.
You want to be cool?
Oh yeah, look.
The person on the other side wants to be cool.
You better light him up. Ready to run it, 10-minute match. Let's get it. Finally got him. Let's get it, boy. What the fuck? I just ran the growth. I mean, what? The gold toe. Sweating like a motherfucker. About one run. We about to. I can't talk, bro.
We gotta run a last game.
That. Last game when we done. Feel me? It's too fucking hot. It's not even hot. It's humid, huh? It's too hot, bro. You can't even see. You can kind of see the bumps through where they hit you. But like, just gotta take them.
1, 2, 3. And then I got him. I popped right in front of him, started shooting me from close, bro. I started going like this. I started shooting him. So we started arguing.
He be lying. He lying.
That shit scared the fuck out of me. Here, right here. Good shot. Got you.
Alright, we're about to react to my cousin's part right here. Hold up. That's why we call him trigger happy.
Hey, you're lucky.
Well, that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, you already know, hit that like, hit that sub, comment down below, leave some comments, leave a like, you know what I'm saying, if you fuck with it. Next video we're gonna do something different though. I'm gonna see what's up, what we gonna do. I'm gonna ask the boys, see what's up, what they trying to do, or if y'all want some pranks, comment down below, let me know. Need some water. But I'm gonna try to drop every 2 weeks, every week. Depends how busy I am or what I'm doing. Sometimes I got shit going on. But stay tuned for another video coming up. And we out.